Hello and welcome to another lesson on navigating Microsoft Word with NVDA, presented once again by the Knowledge Chest. We're going to look at various topics today. Finding text. To search for a word or phrase in a document, press Ctrl+F to open the Find dialog and enter your search term. To hear the number of matches without pressing Enter, use NVDA plus numpad 6 or NVDA plus Shift plus right arrow on a laptop. NVDA will announce the number of results or indicate if there are no matches. Press Escape to return to your current location or press Enter followed by Escape to go to the first result. To navigate between results, use Ctrl plus page down to move to the next match and Ctrl plus page up to go to the previous one. The match text will be selected. If you reach the end of the document, Word will inform you, and pressing Enter will restart the search from the beginning. In NVDA's browse mode, use NVDA plus Ctrl plus F to open a search dialog where you can type your query, check case sensitivity, and use OK or Cancel buttons to find the text. Replacing text. To replace all instances of a word, press Ctrl plus H to open the Replace dialog. Enter the word you want to find in the Find What box, press Tab, and type the replacement word in the Replace With box. For example, entering dog in Find What and cat in Replace With will change every dog to cat. Press Alt plus R to find and replace the next instance, press it twice initially. Press Alt plus A to replace all instances at once. Note that pressing Enter only finds the next occurrence, similar to Ctrl plus F. Advanced Find. In the Replace dialog, press Alt plus M to access Advanced Options. You can choose Match Case and find whole words only, similar to WordPad's options. With Use Wildcards checked, Use for any single character and Asterisk for any number of characters. For instance, TA finds that T, etc., while T*A also finds tap, thread, and to the park. The special dropdown allows you to include non-standard characters like tabs and paragraph markers. The Format dropdown lets you specify text formatting such as bold or heading level 1 to include in your search. Sorting text. To sort text alphabetically or numerically, press Alt plus Q, type Sort, and press Enter. The Sort dialog opens with the focus on the Sort by dropdown, defaulting to paragraphs. If your document has headings, you can sort by them too. Use Tab to move to the Type Combo box to select sorting by text, numbers, or dates. Another tab press lets you choose ascending or descending order. Ascending sorts from A to Z or 1 to 9, while descending sorts from Z to A or 9 to 1. When sorting by paragraphs, remember that each new line created by pressing Enter is considered a new paragraph by Word. That's all for today. Thanks for joining me in this lesson.